When we're working with law firms, specifically on improving their search engine optimization presence, one of the biggest mistakes that we see is lack of proper structuring around the practice area pages on the law firm's website. This can go from small firms with a couple attorneys all the way up to very large firms. We've seen it in all cases. And one of the biggest wins that you can have from an SEO standpoint for your firm is to properly structure your practice area pages so Google can rank them properly against your competitors. So, general rule of thumb that we recommend is you should have a minimum of one dedicated page on your website for every practice area that your firm operates in. So say that your firm does family law and bankruptcy law. The mistake that we see with this is they'll simply have a practice areas page and they'll list their practice areas on one page, but then there's nowhere else to go. So what this is telling Google is you work some in a few practice areas and they're all kind of a collective group. What Google wants to see is when you get to that page to be able to click to a page specifically about family law and specifically about bankruptcy law. The reason for this is if you think about it, Google doesn't rank your website as a whole. When you click on something in Google, Google ranks a specific page on your website against others, and they're going to pick the most relevant page around the topic that the user is searching for. So, for example, you want a minimum of one page per general practice area, but then to expand on this even further, we also recommend that our clients create subpages within practice areas to take this concept one layer deeper into their website. So for example, if you have a general page around family law, you can gain a lot more SEO value in the future, a lot better rankings and more traffic by also creating pages within that specifically around concepts like divorce, child custody, parenting time, etc. That's a huge part of what we do at Northwing when we're working with a law firm is over time, we will work with you to build out these dedicated optimized pages so you have a larger network of pages that can rank in Google around the specific topics and practice areas in which you work. And obviously the golden rule across all of these once they're complete is we want to make sure every one of them is optimized for a selection of keyword phrases and the location in which your firm operates. So if this is something that you have been struggling with or you've been trying to expand the SEO presence of your firm, I would highly recommend taking a look at your site and seeing if it's structured that way. If you have any questions about how to structure this or how to architect these pages on your site to be as SEO friendly as possible, please let us know. Thanks.